Good morning, students. Class 7th Science. Our topic a activity. Take a metal rod, fix a piece of matchstick with a candle box at the different spot of the rod. Heat the rod from one end. Observe the order in which the matchstick fall when the wax on the rod melts. It proves that heat spreads gradually in the metal rod from the point where it is heated. You have seen the metal rod which stick a matchstick stick with a candle wax and one sided heated, then one by one heat is transferred to the metal rod and one by one matchstick put down into the ground. This is a type of conduction. Good and poor conductor of heat. If you feel a metal and wooden object on a winter morning, the metal feels colder. Why? On a winter morning, both metal and wood have a lower temperature than your body. So when you touch in these objects, the heat energy from your body flow into them. The metal feel colder because it conducts takes away heat energy from your body much faster than the wood. This is because metals are good conductor of heat. Wood, glass, air and plastics are the poor conductor of heat. Is water is a good conductor of heat? Activity. Under adult supervision, fill a test tube with ice cold water and place a piece of ice in it. Keep the ice at the bottom by placing a marble over it. Now heat the water from the top end and test tube until it begins to boil. Does the ice melt completely when the water begins to boil? Does heat spread quickly the water? The water is good conductor of heat. Most liquid is the poor conductor of heat. Poor conductor are good insulator of heat energy. Materials that conduct heat poorly do not transfer heat well. Such materials are good heat insulators. If the plastic spoon is kept in a hot cup of milk, you will find there is hardly any transfer of heat from the milk to the spoon. This is why many type of metal vessels are fitted with heat insulating plastic handle. You have seen a pressure cooker, container and spoons, fork using a insulating plastic handle. It help to heat not transfer to the plastic handle because it is the poor conductor of heat. You see in the diagram a polar bear. Air is a good heat insulator. Seals and polar bear live in the cold Arctic region, have a thick layer of fur. The fur traps air and forms an excellent heat insulating layer. The layer of trapped air keeps the animal comfortably warm even when the atmospheric temperature drops below minus 20 degrees centigrade. Similarly, a house made up of bricks remains cool in summer because bricks are porous and trap air. In hot desert regions of Gujarat, people build mud house with roofs covered with a kind of grass. The mud walls being highly porous, do not conduct heat. The roof too does not conduct heat because grass is the poor conductor of heat. Activity: place articles such as metal spoon, wooden stick and pencils, plastic scales and the piece of wool in a porcelain mug. Pour some hot water into the mug. After a while, the feel object to find out the good and poor conductor of heat. Thank you, student.